Hello everyone, I am Suchita Muril. Welcome you all in the video lecture on the topic factorial polynomial. Polynomial is the product of factors of which first factor is x and the successive factor decreased by a constant difference. Now this factorial polynomial is denoted by x raised to the power r factorial. Now here x raised to the power 1 factorial its value x raised to the power 2 factorial that means it contains two values starting from x, therefore x into x minus h is the common difference. In this way we can write down x raised to the power n factorial that means starting from x and contain total n number of terms. Therefore x minus h up to x minus n minus 1 h. In particular case, x raised to the power 0 factorial, its value equal to 1. Now, second important point, here del of x raised to the power n factorial equal to n x raised to the power n minus 1 compared with the differential operator d by dx of x to the power n equal to this. Only the difference is that this del of x to the power n factorial, these values in terms of factorial. Therefore, in the factorial notation, the operator delta is equivalent to the differential operator capital D. Similarly, 1 upon delta, this is equivalent to the differential operator 1 by d, that means integration. Now we solve the problems on this. Express the given algebraic function in factorial notation form. We consider y equal to given function. First we write down in coefficient form. That means here x cube term, then x square term is absent, therefore its coefficient is 0 here. Then minus x plus 1. The coefficient form of this algebraic term is x cube, coefficient is 1, then x square coefficient is 0, then x coefficient is minus 1 and constant term is 1. We apply synthetic division here. We start with 1. Here first term as it is, then 1 into 1, we multiply this here and write down here. Then addition of these two is 1. Then again 1 into 1, we write down here 1. Addition of this is 0. Now this leave the last term, this is the absolute term. And then here for second synthetic division step, here we consider 2 and this first value as it is here 2 into 1, we write down here 2. Addition of these 2 and 1 is 3 and leave the last term as coefficient of x raised to the power 1 factorial. Now here 3 is the coefficient of x raised to the power 2 factorial and 1 is the coefficient of x raised to the power 3 factorial. Therefore, we write down this algebraic term as this way. Now, when we substitute the values of x raised to the power 1 factorial, that means x, and then here x, then x raised to the power 2 factorial is x minus 1, then x raised to the power 3 factorial is this value. If we simplify this, open the bracket, simplify the terms, combine the terms, then we get this algebraic term as it is. Now we discuss second example here. Express the given function algebraic polynomial in terms of factorial notation and show that del cube y equal to 18. Now here first we apply synthetic division, find out the factorial notation form by same method, and then here if we substitute these values here, then we get the given polynomial. Now the second step is here we have to find out del cube y equal to 18. Therefore we differentiate the given this factorial notation form, that means equation 2. Here del of y equal to 9 x raised to the power 2 factorial, and here derivative of this is 20 into x raised to the power 1 factorial. 5 as it is x raised to the power 1 factorial, derivative is 1. Similarly, second derivative del square y equal to 18 x raised to the power 1 factorial into 20 into 1. Now third derivative we get 18. This is the second result. Now suppose in the problem it is given that we have to find out 1 by delta of y. Then in that case we integrate this equation number 3. Here 3 as it is x raised to the power 4 factorial upon 4 plus 10 into x raised to the power 3 factorial upon 3 plus 5 x raised to the power 2 factorial upon 2 plus x raised to the power 1 factorial upon 1 plus 3, and substitute the values of x raised to the power 4 factorial, then x raised to the power 3 factorial, then x raised to the power 2 factorial, and this is the value of x raised to the power 1 factorial. And if we are to find out these values at particular value, suppose x equal to 2, then in this equation we have to substitute x equal to 2 and find out the required result. In this way we can find out any value for particular value or 1 by delta value by using this method. Now if this type of problem is there, f of x equal to, in terms of factorial notation, you have to express this and find del square f of x at x equal to 1.5. We apply these steps. First, we write down in factorial notation. Then find out del value, that means first time differentiation, then second time differentiation, and after this we have to substitute these values. X raised to the power 1 factorial is x raised to the power 2 factorial is x into x minus 1, and so on. And then we substitute x equal to 1.5 here in the algebraic form and find out the required result. For example, here del cube y equal to 18x raised to the power 2 factorial. In this way, here we substitute the value of x raised to the power 2 factorial and then substitute x equal to 1.5 and find out the required result. Now, example number 4, determine the function whose first order forward difference is this value. Now that means here this value is given as del of f of x term. Now first these are the steps. Here first we convert these algebraic terms polynomial in terms of factorial notation, and then from this we write down find out the value of f of x. F of x, how we find out? By using this step 1 by delta into factorial form, that means integrate the terms. On integration it converts into factorial to algebraic form. In this way we can find out the values. Here this is the algebraic notation. By substituting x raised to the power 1 factorial is x raised to the power 2 factorial equal to x into x minus 1. We substitute these values and converts into algebraic form. In this way, we solve the different types of problems by using the concept of factorial notation. Thank you for watching this video.